To reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero accounting software, start by navigating to the Reconcile Type tab on your bank account. This can be done by clicking on the Reconcile button from the dashboard, or by selecting the Accounting option and then clicking on Bank Accounts. Choose the appropriate account and click on Manage Account. Then select Reconcile Account. This will take you to the Reconcile tab, where you can reconcile bank transfers for transactions. Locate the payment or invoice for which the two payments were made, such as a payment with a $4,500 amount. Click on the Find and Match button beside it, which will open a new screen. From this screen, select the two payments made against the invoice. For example, a $2,000 payment and a $2,500 payment, which together equal the total invoice amount. Once the two payments are selected, scroll down and click the Reconcile button. This process allows you to successfully reconcile two payments to one invoice.